I'll apply texture paste on it first to make some texture on it. Spread it nicely in a thick layer. I'll use plastic wrap to bake texture. Place the plastic wrap on the texture paste and make wrinkles like this. This is a new kind of texture I am trying to make. Let it dry completely. Once it is dried, pull off the plastic wrap and it will leave a nice texture on the bottle like this. This texture is really good. To decorate the upper left part, I will apply gesso on it. This one is my homemade gesso. Tutorial is available on my channel. Link is provided in the I button. You can check it out later. I had colored the texture part mixing white, blue and a little bit of red. You can say it mauve color. And to color the top part, I am using yellow color. However, we are going to do mirror work on it, which will be shown to you in my next video. I mean, in the next part of this tutorial. This is part 1. I would have included the mirror work in this part only, but however, I had not shooted it because of the lockdown here in Akola. I could not get all sufficient supplies, so sorry for that. But it's coming up next Friday, Saturday. Do not forget to watch it on only on Enhanced Creations YouTube channel. And to highlight it, I am going to use pearl metallic gold color. Use it to highlight the textured part. It will look super cute. So that was for today's video, guys. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel Enhance Creations. Give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Instagram and Moj to see the more updates about our projects. And then till then, see you guys next time. Bye bye, and do not forget to watch the next part of this video.